YouTube, what's the word? Lazare2 Official. I'm back with another video. So all my new viewers or whatever, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share. It will really help my channel out so much. I could drop free game just like this. Help me, help you to help us. You feel me? So you scratch my back, I scratch yours. Make sure you turn on all bell notifications. So you won't miss none of my videos. So today we're gonna be talking about, get some things deleted off your credit, remove off your credit, late payments, inquiries, collections, medical bills, whatever. So before we get into that video, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a lawyer. I'm only speaking upon experience. So now we got that out the way, let's get into this video. So when it comes down to your dispute process, right, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a credit monitoring app. Don't get Credit Karma, because I used to use Credit Karma and I wasn't getting no results because Credit Karma was telling me that I had all these things on my credit report and it wasn't there. So I found out, I started going to a new source, which is Identity IQ. It's the best credit monitor I ever had. It's better than Credit Karma. It's better than Experience. It's better than all that. It give you 24/7 protection around the board. If somebody get a hold of your information and start trying to put it on the dark web or anything, you get an alert instantly alert, and they lock your credit report and they start alerting, authorities and things like that. So I've been using it. My clients been using it. I love it. It's only $30 a month. So if you want somebody to keep you protected, you'll pay the $30 a month. Stop being cheap. Like, I pay $30 a month to protect my credit. That's my asset, my credit. My identity is my assets. Like, you gotta just stop being cheap. So once you get that out, and I'm gonna leave a link below. You get your credit report for $1. You want to lock your credit report. So basically, it's like, these are the secondary bureaus: SageStream, Innovis, CoreLogics. You want to opt out those those secondary bureaus. Once you opt out the secondary bureaus, this is when you want to send out your 609 letters. So 609 letter is basically, the powerhouse letter. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get things removed. I do not use round 1, round 2, or round 3 letters, because at the end of the day, that's going to evolve for you to send out the 609 letter. But if you just got to know how to use the 609 letter to get major results. So if you need 609 letter, I'm gonna leave the link below. I have a credit repair ebook as well. I'm gonna leave the link below. Before all that, everything you need about credit, about finance, about anything, I'm gonna need a link below. Nothing is free. My time ain't free. Nothing is free. So once you get your 609 letter, right, and you opt out the secondary bureaus, what you want to put on your dispute letter, right? You want to get misspelled names. You want to get old addresses. You want to get old employment removed. If you have too many of that on your credit report, you need to get that stuff removed ASAP. The reason why you probably hear a lot of noise because I'm by the window and my window is open. So I'm just letting you know. So yeah. So put that on your dispute letter, right? Get all that stuff removed. So if you got debt connected to the address that you already living in, you need to get the address removed too. Find somebody that you trust, like your grandmother, your sister, brother, somebody you trust in your family, to start getting your mail sent to their house. And you want to get their address put on your credit report because you have debt that you already, debt connected to the address that you already living in. So you need to get that removed. Once the information is once that, like, your personal information get removed, when it's time to do verification, they can't verify your address. So what they're gonna have to do, they're gonna have to remove everything they can't verify. So once they can't verify it, they're gonna remove it. So, like I say, if you need help with your credit, the whole thing about it is cleaning up your personal credit is, right? I'm gonna just say it like this. It's to eventually get business credit. Everything is better on the business side. Everything is. So this is the reason why you really want to clean up your your personal credit so you can PG everything. You personal guarantee everything, your vehicles, the loans, the credit cards, whatever you get, you just put it in your business lane. You know what I'm saying? So once you clean your credit up, get them negative items removed, you can start, you know, getting your LLC or S Corp, and you can connect that up and start, you know, getting business funding. That's where it's at. So if you need more help with your credit, just like I say, I got Credit Repair ebook. I'm coming out with a course real soon, you know what I'm saying, to help. And when I elevate, I want you to elevate. So like I say, man, like, comment, subscribe, turn on all bell notifications, man, and I'm out.